AMC had a phenomenal finish to the end of the day today. At the beginning of the day, we were down. AMC was trading around $34.50 per share. And at the end, into lunchtime and into the end of the day, you guys know what happened. We absolutely soared all the way up to $41 per share before, yes, pulling back a little bit. But we should use this as an indicator that absolutely anything is possible when it comes to AMC stock. Price swings are incredible. We should not fret the down days because better days are before us. Guys, when it comes to AMC, this is not a pump and dump. This is not something like any other position in the history of the stock market. Anything is possible when it comes to AMC. So let's talk a little bit about why we saw this run up here, what it means for us in the near-term future, and of course, the unlimited potential that AMC absolutely brings to every shareholder. So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and man, we are growing our portfolios together. So let's just jump right into it. Why did AMC shoot up so far, so quick today? We were trading at $33 and I believe 75 cents per share. We tapped $41.50 before pulling back a little bit and closing in the $38 range. So what's going on? Simplest answer is that we had an influx of buying pressure, okay? Now, I know that's the boring answer. The real question everybody needs to be asking is, where did this buying pressure come from? And on its surface, just looking at it right now without any news articles or without diving in further to see who was buying, it's very, very difficult to determine where buying pressure comes from. Simply because anybody can be doing it. It can be shorts covering. It can be institutions buying. It can be a retail trader buying because of a technical breakout. It can be the same thing with institutional investors buying off the support line there. So let's discuss some of the different things that could have, emphasis on the could have, led to some buying pressure today. Because at the end of the day, guys, nobody knows. A lot of the speculation going on out there is that it could have been an agreement on the debt ceiling that was reached. Not only because AMC was rising, because we had a lot of stocks at the same time jumping because of what was going on out there. So it could be an agreement on the debt ceiling. It could have been because banks need extra capital on hand to meet new requirements and so on and so forth with all of these banks that could potentially be lending out to short sellers of these meme stocks. That could have been something else going on. We were sitting at $34, around $34, $34.50 before we ended up bouncing and breaking higher. So we knew that the $34.50 mark was a very good level of support that we had seen on a 4-hour chart going back for a couple of months. So that could have been a bounce off support and then a run higher. There are several different things that could have led to that bounce. Bottom line is we had people buying the stock. That is exactly what we need to see happen. And it was a little bit discouraging at the beginning of the day to see yet another red day. So it is absolutely phenomenal, in my opinion, that we saw a great turnaround. Not just a little bit of a turnaround, guys. We went from 33 to 41. We were up, I believe, 16%. I may have not seen the absolute peak of it, but I saw 16% during the day that AMC was in the green before pulling back a little bit, right? But still, an excellent day. And it shows us that anything is possible. Now, I know when we say anything's possible, when we see AMC go back up to $40 per share, right, $40 is still extremely low when it comes to potential of the short squeeze. So let's discuss that for a minute, because I see a lot of people talking about the Citadel scandal and you know, Ken Griffin lied and all of this stuff. It's trending everywhere. And here's the deal. People are still speculating that it's possible that Robinhood and other brokers take away buy buttons during the squeeze. Well, here's I don't even know what to call it, but you shouldn't be worried about that happening. Because if they take away the buy button, they're taking away the FOMO buyers and the retail run-up traders. they're not going to take away Citadel's buy button, okay? They're not going to take away the short sellers buy button because they absolutely need to go out and cover the stock. And if we do not sell, if you close your eyes and take away your own sell button, guess what? AMC has to go up. We don't need retail buyers. We don't need FOMO buyers. We don't need a buy button on Robinhood. Yes, it would be nice if you're looking to add more shares, but for the mother of all short squeezes, we need to do one thing and one thing only. Hold the stock. If you do not click that sell button, the price goes up. If I do not click the sell button, that price goes up. If everybody out there doesn't sell the stock, that's when it comes into play that they have to offer higher and higher and higher prices. So I just hope that the concerns out there, yes, it is pretty shady. We got a lot of people colluding against us, and especially when it comes out that they've been talking back and forth and doing everything that they're out there doing. It's not good news, but here's the deal. They know that we've won. They know that they have to buy the stock back from us. They know that they can try and trick us into selling the stock, creating all of this FUD, getting our emotions worked up, especially because they know a lot of people in AMC, GameStop, and all of these meme stocks are newer to the markets. Okay, they realize that people might be out there trading on emotions. And if they start to see these red numbers, if they start to see all this FUD, if they start to see all this fear surrounding a lot of people out there, they may end up taking their position off the table and closing early. That is exactly what they want to happen. So if you thought today's run was something special, if you thought a 16, 17, 18, 19, 20% gain was something special, please stick around for the mother of all short squeezes, because I am telling you, the potential is 100% unlimited. The only thing that's going to limit the potential of this short squeeze is you and I going out and clicking that sell button. When we accept that price for AMC, when we say it's over, it's over. And that is the only thing that can limit it. It's not SEC regulation. It's not a government stepping in and saying, it's time to sell your AMC. It's not market makers trying to drive the price down. The only thing is how hard your diamond hands are and how long you're willing to hold the stock. So please keep that in mind. Encourage everybody you see that is currently holding AMC to do just that and to continue holding AMC. Because if we're in this together and they can't tear us apart, we will absolutely get that life-changing money that every single one of us has set out to achieve. So encourage us down in the comments below to continue holding strong, to watch AMC do what only AMC can do, and no other stock in the market right now has the potential that AMC has. And if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. If you're brand new to trading, or if you want a new brokerage account, use the link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up, and a $100 deposit is going to get you a couple free stocks. Sell those stocks, keep those stocks, whatever you want to do with them. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. And of course, guys, until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.